So to download the CBFunnelPro plugin, you simply go to CBFunnelPro.com. You're probably already here on the website, and you go to the download plugin option on the menu and simply find the latest version of the plugin. In this case, it's going to be at the time of recording anyway, September 28th version, and you click download. Now please note the location that that the file is downloaded to, because you're going to need to find it later on. So the file will be titled cbfunnel.zip. So the next step will be to go to your dashboard and go to plugins and add new plugin, upload plugin, choose file. Now in this case I already have the plugin downloaded in this location on the desktop, so I click on it, say open, and now you click install now. Now I'm not going to continue because the plugin is already installed on my computer, but if it had not been installed, you will see on the CB funnel, instead of deactivate, it will be activate, like some of these other widgets or these other plugins that have not been activated. So you'd simply click on it to activate it if it's not yet active, and you'll be ready for the next step.